If someone is not a Hafiz and wants to complete the Khatam of the Quran in Taraweeh, she has to read the Quran from a mobile phone. When she goes into Ruku, she can place the phone on a table beside her. However, when she needs to turn the page, how can she do it? Can you kindly explain the whole process of reading the Quran from a phone during voluntary prayers?
I don't understand your concern. Do you mean that she places the phone on the table?
No, on her hand, and when she goes into Ruku, she put the phone beside in a table beside her.
Okay, once she makes sujood and finishes and stands up, she picks up the phone and starts to read. What's the problem?
And and how can she turn the pages? She have so she can use the phone. She can change the pages during Salah.
Why, yani, should she ask one of the children to go and help? Of course. She uses the phone and she watches the pages. Once the page is over, she turns the page over. There's no problem with that at all.